Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to do something a little bit different, and I'm going to be doing a voiceover for this entire video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my makeup brushes. And it's a bit of a process, especially if you haven't cleaned them in quite a while. I probably haven't cleaned my makeup brushes in over a year. It's been a while, and that's really bad to do. You want to clean your makeup brushes probably every month, every 2 months at the least, just because bacteria can get into your makeup brushes just from them being on your face, especially if you have acne or oily skin. You can get a lot of debris inside of your makeup brushes, and then that transfers to your face every single day. So you want to clean your makeup brushes regularly. I use 2 products to clean my makeup brushes. I use this California Baby Sensitive Baby shampoo, I believe it is. I went with the sensitive one just because I have sensitive skin. You can use any kind of baby shampoo. And then I also use this Beauty Blender solid soap. And it's just a solid soap that I use on my beauty blender, and then along with a few of my smaller brushes like my eyebrow brush and my eyeshadow brushes. It's just a little easier to use just because it is a solid soap and you can like brush against it. Whereas with the baby shampoo, you kind of have to use the nooks and crannies in your hand to push against the bristles of your brush. Anywho, when it comes to cleaning your makeup brushes, the first thing that you'll want to do is to set out a towel so you can let your makeup brushes dry overnight. Next up, you're going to want to make sure that you have warm to hot water. And make sure you have your shampoo that you're going to use to wash your brushes. Next up, make sure that you have all of your makeup brushes in one spot so you're not wasting time running around trying to find them all. When it comes to cleaning your makeup brushes, the first thing is to get your brush wet, and make sure not to get the handle of the brush wet because that can cause damage to your makeup brush and cause the bristles to become loose. Now that your brush is wet, go ahead and take your soap and put a little dollop in the center of your hand. Then you're going to take your wet brush and move it around in circular motions in both the palm of your hand and then across your fingers as well. Keep doing a combination of this along with getting your bristles wet and rinsing them off, and just keep going back and forth until you no longer see any makeup coming out of your brush. Once you have it all cleaned, you're going to want to squeeze all the excess water out along with all the excess soap that may be in there. And you're going to want to keep doing this until you no longer see makeup coming out of your brush. That means it's clean. Once your brush is clean, you're going to want to go ahead and shape it to make sure it's the correct shape, and then lay it on a towel to dry. I like to do this during the day so that my brushes can dry overnight. That way they are ready to go for the next day and are completely dry. If your makeup brushes are a little wet, it may cause your makeup to go on differently than normal, so try to make sure that your brushes are completely dry before using them again. When it comes to using the solid shampoo or the solid soap, the first thing that I do is I'll wet my beauty blender or maybe the eyeshadow brush that I'm trying to clean, and then I'll get the soap out and get it out of the canister and get that wet as well. Making sure both products are wet makes it work a lot better. Then I just scrub my beauty blender or my brush against the solid soap, and again I go back and forth between rinsing it and then scrubbing it on the soap, and I keep rinsing it until I no longer see makeup coming out of my beauty blender or my brush, and I just do that back and forth, similar to how I use liquid soap with my face brushes. Alright you guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed getting to see how I clean my makeup brushes. I'm very interested to see if you guys do yours differently, so let me know down in the comments. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!